This is Rooster Dad 50. I'm going to do a knife unboxing. And today, well, let me go ahead and open it first. And then we'll do the reveal. Here's opening honors go to my Spyderco Tenacious. And what we've got is the Extremus camping hunting knife with magnesium fire starter, serrated edge camp knife, 3.5-inch fixed blade, 7CR17 stainless steel, TPR molded non-slip handle, and molded safety sheath with a paracord lanyard. Okay, so let's go ahead and this is nice packaging. Little thing for going online and giving opinion. And would you look at this? Would you look at this? Well, this is very nice. Oh, it stays in that sheath very nicely. Now this is a very thick, robust knife, and there's hardly any bend to this at all. And it's got a serrated edge up here. It's not wicked sharp, but it's sharp enough to probably do what you need to do. Got a Scandi grind. A little bit of a bobble right here. I don't know if you can see that. Feel it on both sides. It's pretty darn sharp out of the box. If I wanted it shaving sharp, I'd have to do a little bit to it. Feels good in the hand. This reminds me of my Mora Companion Robust. Good ergonomics. And I believe their cord here is supposed to be 750-pound test. So choke back a bit and do some chopping. This is very nice. That's Extremus camping and hunting knife. Let's go ahead and take a look at the sheath. And this is going to be TPR molded, no, I'm sorry, that's the handle. Molded safety sheath is what they say. And then it's got a captured fire steel right here too. And that appears to be a very good quality. Oh, well. Note to the wise, glue it in, because it's not. But it's a good thickness. Looks like you'll get just thousands upon thousands of strikes on this if you feel the need. I live in California, so it's a little crazy here. If you spark any fires, you better make sure you do it in a real safe location. This is a pretty sturdy sheath. I like it. Hangs with just the belt attachment. Although it does appear that it's got this notch here, and I think that may work with other Mora sheaths. Well, there it is. We'll have to go ahead and do a review on that. Now, I wouldn't use the serrated area on the fire steel because it would just tear it up. It would work, but it would probably just tear it up. But there are flat enough edges to make that usable on the spine of the knife to fire the fire steel. Well, here it is. I'm impressed. Because this thing was under $15. And it looks like it's gone down a couple more on Amazon. They had the one with the orange cord, a green cord, and the black. And then there was a little detail around here that was whatever that color was as well. I just went with the black. Yeah, this is going to be fun to test. And it reminds me quite a bit of my Mora Companion Robust. Not as fine a finish, maybe a little bit thinner in the handle. And if I had it handy right now, I should have thought about it. I'd compare the two side by side, but I think they're quite comparable. I do not have any idea how far in the tang goes. As you can see, there's nothing sticking out the back. But when I gave it a good test like this, it just feels solid. Very solid. Anyway, that'll do it for me in this unboxing of the Extremus camp knife with fire starter and 3.5-inch fixed blade. Rooster Dad out.